My niece and nephews are fighting over their grandfather's attention.
Pila ni ka kilo ma?
Isang ako kabaw eh. Mano naman naman nagkuhanan?
Dagan kayo.
Nagtinabang na yung nanay din ma.
We have many avocados right now, guys. My brother gave this to us. Hi guys, my dad is now preparing the avocado. He put some condensed milk, so this is how we eat the avocado. This is probably our lunch.
Diri sudlanan. Ha? Dagan ka kayo. Naglaway na sa papa. Natawa sabi. Smile sabi. So we have so many avocados right now, guys. My older brother gave to us. See how many seeds.
Number sa Fifi. Hindi ko kalawag.
What you guys playing?
We're playing
Puzzle game? Word game?
Yes. Asan jeep?
How to edit my videos. These girls, my daughter and her cousins are playing the laptop.
There you go, boy. Mas dito, ay, ambot. Balls.
I rarely use this one, guys, because I don't know how to use, but so yeah, I've already have this like years ago already. So I don't really go to salon, guys. Me and my sister just do DIY our nails. I have this transparent, what's this, finish, and also some manicure. I don't go to salon, but it's just me. I'm not comfortable if someone is working on me. I mean, yeah, trying to serve me. It's just me, guys. I mean, it's not bad doing to salon and then release this one lock and then slowly. Most of the time I just do DIYs. At the same time, this video camera is like a mirror. That's my mom behind me. So time to release and then slowly pull it out. Pull your hair from the curling. Wow, huh? So beautiful. I have something to unbox, guys, and Dad will help me because it's his, but it is very usable around the house also. So my dad will help me with unboxing. Wait, I'm gonna look for some mirror. Some mirror? Scissors. Asang scissors ni mo lang? This is an insect killer. So, I choose the Litic brand. So, I utang this in Shopee, guys. Credit in Shopee for 6 months. I think this is like 1,000. Oh, 1,000. So, that is perfect to have, especially it's rainy days already here in Philippines, and there's a lot of mosquitoes. So, we need to have this insect killer. This is for the first time we have insect killer, but if it's very effective, we will see if it's effective. Maybe we will get some more char. Depends if after this one we have full payment already, okay? No need to have a lot utang. So this is the Litic brand. This is the inside. About, I don't know how big is this, but this has 6 watts. So let's see if it's effective. Perfect for rainy days. insect killer. Ay, nagulag ka pa. Nagulag ka. Let's try if it at least will go light, and at least it will go light. It means it's not damaged. So it says here, there's a little like, so it says generally all the insects such as the mosquitoes, flies, have the phototaxis. Our product is using these characteristics to attract mosquitoes and flies by harmless UV lights and kills by high voltage shock. So let's see if it works, if it's effective. Especially there's sometimes kids come to our house and you know, to protect the kids from dengue. So but basically at night this will be in my father's room because we only have one, and who knows, in the near future we will have gonna one again if after we full payment this one. So we will try na. We will try na this one pa. Ay, pagkupot sa kuan ha. Nara sa lawas ra ayo din ha. Oh, ito niya ponder. So hopefully it will work. It will be effective. Ano sa lugar nga nadahang langaw, we will try in a place where there's a lot of flies, mosquitoes. This one is a chain holder, like here, put here. So it can be like handle, the handle, murag bag ba. Butang ablihi. Iyof sana ko. You know. So it comes with a handle like this. You carry like this pa. And so yeah. Let's see if it works. So it can only consumption, the only watts here is, this one is 6 watts. So not bad. So that is lytic insect killer. So hopefully this has turned on. You can turn on and off. So it will still stay connected to the power. Yeah. Asam na to i-try. Katawa sa desig. So that's it, guys. Hopefully the product will, you know, stay longer, won't damage or broken easily. It will have a long life, you know, longer to use. And then anyway, that's a utang in Shopee. And so that's the first item that I utang in Shopee, and because hopefully, and then maybe looking forward if that item is very effective. So it is very, to me it is very important that some kind of things, because you know dengue could be very dangerous. So, and we have a lot of kids here, so it is very important. So that's why I decided to utang that item, and it is like around 1,000 pesos. Yeah, and it's 6 months to pay, but it's up to me if I will pay it one time or 3 months. So it's up to me. So I think that's it for today, guys. I think that's it for today. And my hair is still a little bit wavy, curly. I like it. It has some volume. Why not? So I think that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you do, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up, comment, because I would love to see you there, share and subscribe for more upcoming uploads. Thank you so much, guys, and see you in the next one. Bye.